So we're at about midday on the 7th of May, but we're on British summertime, so really we're on 11 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. So the sun's nearly overhead but gone behind a cloud. But at the moment the best the system is producing with 4 kilowatts of potential is doing about 3.3, which I'm pretty happy with. So since we've upgraded the battery pack, we've not actually filled it up because we've been managing the loads so that when the electric's being produced by the panels, we're using it. We're running the off-grid system for nearly, well, probably about, I switch it over in the morning about say 7 o'clock and run it till perhaps 10 o'clock, so that's, what's that, 15 hours. So we're still using the grid at night, so hopefully by the time I've got more panels on the roof, we'll be able to fill the battery pack up and go through the night during the summer months. And then once the wind turbine is up, will that keep us going in the winter as well? So the base system or kit, which is the controller, inverter and the 4 200 amp hour AGM batteries with 12 325 watt black solar panels come in at about 4.5 grand including taxes. But because I'm a business, I'm hoping I can get some of the taxes back, so that was just say with taxes, so that's 4.5 grand. Another 720 quid for extra batteries, that's taken me to 5,200 plus my armor cabling to take the AC supply back to the house, so I'm still well under 5.5 grand. But I have bought an extra 4 kilowatts worth of panels for 1,500, so that takes me up to about, will take me up to about 7 grand of investment for what will then be 8 kilowatts of solar panels with about that 14 kilowatts of usable battery. That's assuming that the second-hand batteries are performing near enough how they should be. My wind turbine has just arrived courtesy of DHL. So I've got the starting off there with the mast. There is the controller. That's the actual turbine head, and those are the propeller blades. So I bought it as a kit. It's the Breeze 2000, and it's a little bit strange how I've managed to buy it because it was difficult to buy. I think I bought it through the Breeze factory shop in Bulgaria, even though Breeze is a Turkish company. I could only find the 48 volt version in a kit form in Bulgaria, so I was a little bit wary of buying it, but I bought it and it's come okay. So I paid 1,300 euros for the kit minus taxes, so that's about 1,100 quid. Then you have to pay DHL the taxes, which is another 227 pounds. So in total I will have paid obviously 1,100 pounds plus 227, so what's that, 1327 off the top of my head in pounds. So I think it's good value for money, but it's a case of let's see if we can get it fitted together. And today is a day when the wind is blowing. So this week my wind turbines arrived and my additional 4 kilowatts of panels, so we've really ramped up our supply now.